Welcome to AWS for AI Services, Full Stack Foundations, brought to you by Nanoschool. Nanoschool is India's leading deep science learning organization and proudly India's #1 AI school. This course is part of our intermediate AI development track, designed for serious learners. In just 4 weeks, you'll master AWS SageMaker and essential cloud AI services, becoming a full stack expert. Upon completion, you'll receive an NSTC-accredited certificate recognized by top Indian employers. You'll learn to build, train, and deploy production-ready models on Amazon Web Services, moving beyond local notebooks. The course covers crucial setup, IAM, S3, SageMaker Studio, and billing best practices for optimal efficiency. You'll master managed training with built-in or custom algorithms and learn real-time model deployment and batch transform techniques. Build a full AI pipeline with serverless workflows using AWS Lambda, API Gateway, and SageMaker. This course is ideal for those with basic Python and cloud familiarity, especially students and professionals in the Delhi NCR region. It's perfect for AI/ML engineers transitioning to cloud deployment, software developers integrating AI into applications, and startups building scalable AI products. Prepare confidently for the AWS Machine Learning Specialty certification with our comprehensive curriculum. Our hands-on projects will give you real-world experience, building actual cloud AI systems. You'll implement a SageMaker image classifier and develop a serverless prediction API. The capstone project culminates in building an end-to-end cloud AI system, from data upload to cost optimization. Why choose Nanoschool? We boast 4.0 star ratings and have over 16,500 enrolled students who trust us. We offer a 30-day refund policy, ensuring your satisfaction and confidence in our program. Enjoy lifetime LMS access and continuous support from NSTC-certified mentors based in Delhi NCR. Ready to supercharge your AI career? Enroll now for 5,999 rupees at nanoschool.in/AI-course/registration!!